This is table of 1. This is table of 2. This is table of 3. This is table of 4. This is table of 5. This is table of 6. This is table of 7. This is table of 8. This is table of 8. This is the table of 9.
Table of 9.
The table of 9.
This is
table of 10. These are mathematics signs. These are mathematics signs. This is addition sign. This is subtraction sign. This is equal sign. This is greater than sign. This is less than sign. This is multiplication sign. This is division sign. These are non-living things. It cannot move. It cannot grow. These are living things. It can move. It can grow. They food, air, and water. This is I. This is I. We still arrive. Hey, he meeting till can thei. This is yours. We hear with our ears. Ears help us to hear different sounds. Hey, he bang ani. Inshot non can function. This is nose. We smell with our nose. Nose help us to breathe. Hey, nani. Namangilim can function. Tomnana can function. This is skin. We feel with our skin. Skin help us to feel warm and cold. Hey, bunani kan bud mangin nate kan shushin. This is tongue. Tongue help us to taste food. Hey, lay aniya until a kum art to lehpekah lo tia shang tu ani. Kulung lai ber ani. Niya sa ma. Niya ray bok. This present rainy season, the period is June to August. Clouds are dark and we see lightning and hear thunder. It rains and rains so the ground gets wet and muddy. Hey, yana and to food. Niki kla ajang ati chinkla. Tunte lo duga gold pele kopiri sha dura omchi. Ro aklang ding abangin le mongin adyak chinkala. This present autumn season, the period is September and October. Leaves change its color and color. The weather is good, not too hot and not too cold. Thank you. Yana and dito sa bangan yanin ko thale kwang koi sa nate nandrongan sa kanjing lokchin. Baura kanwa me maalum no tuklawa.
Thank you.
This present winter season. The period is November to February. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Days are short and nights are long. Thank you. Hayana hindi to kasi tamul pa at ang aram tukla. Kung kachunga ko wala benun ani ni atoin zanare membuka. My name is LAWMTHU. We are from Group 1. This is Felina and this is Rubena. This is Mercy. That is Samuela. This is Stifa. This is Emmet. This is Larin Sangi. This is Pate and this is Jason. And we are from Group 1. We are grade 4. And this project is about 5 different shapes. Shapes aren't just for maths class. They help us build, play, and stay safe. That's why they are very important. The first shape is circle. Circle is a round plane figure whose boundary is equidistant from the center. The properties of a circle are, it has no corners or edges. Number 2, all points on the circumferences are the same distance from the center. Number 3, the boundary is smooth and curved. The importance of a circle is it rolls easily and it is used for wheels, tires, balls, plates, etc. Circle helps us move and travel faster.
Hey, tilbia ania, alai tak achanga aton tir thenga in karai nang vek apoi mona osam takina vir thei tilbia hi chu motor ke ate bola ate plate le thil sang sang ata nan mangchi.
Square definition: a four-sided polygon with 4 sides and 4 edges. Properties: all sides of are equal length. The opposite sides are parallel. Square fit together with no gap. Square is used for rooms, doors, phones, boxes, etc. It is good for building and storing things.
A Sir pali in ang chia akil pali po som kwavek ani. Sir in epte ani a parallel bok ani apoi mo na a in rem cha in kara omlaw room le khabu kongkar kon boksa kan mang in sakle thil da chatna na chalhe. Rectangles are four side polygon. Quadrilateral with opposite sides equal in length and four right angles.
Hei pali sek asir nepte ay nga akil pali 90 degree vek opposite side ay parallel la ay angani at chunga degree zong hi sa thum somrokani apoy mo na box brick dice tiffin box akan mang thil la thale rem chatna na olsam.
Opposite sides are parallel and equal. In length, all internal angles are 90 degrees. The sum of internal angles is 360 degrees, and it is important to stack easily. And it is for box, bricks, discs, and large box. Let's conclusion: different shapes do different jobs. We use round shapes to roll, and cube shapes to store, and triangle shapes to make things strong.
A three-sided polygon with three corners or vertices properties. The sum of internal angle is always 180 degrees. It has three edges. Triangle is super strong and stable. Triangle is used for bridges, roof of houses, cranes, etc. It holds everything and doesn't break easily.
Hei hi kilthum nei ni akil pathum le sir pathum anei a omdan pakhanna chunga degree zong kha za somya ta ne ve panina asir pathum anei apoi mo na achak ema ading het leido in chung screen na te kan mang thil ripo adol tha a ake ollo.
Hei hi abia kola a chung zong in a chawtung akan mu na tur ice cream cone traffic cone tui khit na te kan mu chin apoi mo na tui khit na te le lom lo khleng tu shil lok na kan che vela in peng klip nan konga kan da chin.
Shape sang te hian harang theuan thoka abial hi thil virna ngan manga rectangle hi thil da thatna ngan mang triangle hi thil ting het na ngan manga kan mang da na zerin an tangkai vek ani.
Hello, my name is Prakasa and today our group project is the excretory system, and here we will have an introduction. This is tluang, this is Boypuya, this is Benjamina, this is Rata, Radmoya, and this is Olmomi, and this is Sarah, this is Chizati, and this is Sangsangi. You may not be able to see Sangsangi and Chizati because they're off screen, but it's okay. So today we will be explaining about the excretory system. This is the excretory system. The excretory system helps cleans out toxins from our blood so we stay healthy. Here I will invite Rata to explain it in Mizo.
Hei excretory system ania excretory system chu ol sam taka se to kan tak certified to system ani chu kan tak sa thathe to level hlom lo tora kan pe chona ani.
The urinary system starts with two bean-shaped organs called kidneys. Kidneys are important because it cleans the blood and make pee. They clean the blood, that is, they remove water and extra water. Kidneys make us pee. They throw waste out of the body and it keep water balance inside our body.
Urinary system urinary system hi kalpani in a intran ani kalhi beans ang pian na ani kalpoi monate pahatna tisan atifaya urine zun asem thin panina tisan chunga tuile bollo tan lu tukte ape chok pathumna kalhian zun min siam chwasaka kan taksa a tuizat balance thaturin min poibok ani.
Ureter is small pipe that carries pee. After kidney clean the blood and make pee, the ureter carries the pee from the kidneys down to the bladder. It carries pee from kidneys to the bladder.
This is a urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is the body's pee storage tank. We store pee until we are ready to go to the toilet, so we do not have to go to the toilet every minute. When it's full, it sends pee out through the urethra.
Urethra is the exit part for pee. The urethra carries that pee out of the body when we go to the toilet. It is the tube that takes pee from the bladder and out of our body. That means urethra is the pipe in our body that let pee comes out.
Hei urinary bladder chu kan zun da na bomb storage tank ang ania zun chu kan zun chhuah ma chu lo khol china chu wangin ba ju ma minute tingang kalangai lo na ak khol kha hun chu urethra kal tlangin zun chu lo chak mai china ni.
Urethra hi zun chana kong khar nia urinary bladder atanga zun lo chak chu urethra kal tlangin kan taksa atanga pe chak chin om zia ber chu kan zun na chana kong ani. Khaikhomna excretory system hian kan taksa chunga bolote zun than ek te min pe chha saka chu wangin kan taksa arsela athyang hlim rang thai ani.
My name is Donga and this is Misaka. This is Asha. This is Bidya. This is Jordana. This is Olivia. That is Margarete and she is Judy and
She is Ivy and she is Unique. The human skeleton is our body's bone frame. Think of it like sticks inside the tent. Without the sticks, the tent would fall down. Without bones, our body will be like jelly. What does the skeleton do? 1. It gives us shape. Bones keep us standing tall instead of flapping around. 2. It protects us. Skull protects our brain. The ribcage protects our heart and lungs, while the spine protects the important nerve cords. 3. It helps us move. Bones work with muscles. When muscles pull bones, we can walk, run, jump, and dance. 4. It makes blood. Some big bones inside make blood for our body. Human skeleton national rural hi kan taksaro ban ani enternan tenting chho tura stick kan mamo ang hi ani athi nge na tur stick amlo ta se ten chu tluang chu tiang bokin ru kan nei lo chuan kan taksa hi jali ang main alo sopang makhatna rural chuan min tintir thai panina min veng him luru skol hian kan thwak aveng rip hian kan pumpui aveng nungzang ro spine hian kan taksa chunga nar poimo tak aveng pathum na min che tir ru le thasoi an thodun awangin kan kal thai kan tlan thai kan zawng thai kan lam thai chu long chu soi chani hello me
Main part of skeleton. Number 1, cranium and heart bones can protect our brain. Number 2, rib cage. A bone just around our chest we have. The upper part of the arm has a bone called humerus.
Human skeleton rural pengpul mote pakhatna luru cranium hi kan thuak veng him tu ru chakta ani panina rib cage hi kan omvel hol tu ru ni in kan pumpuya veng pathumna kan ban chunglama hian ru pakhat lian oma chu humerus ani.
Radius. The upper part of the arm is made up with bone called radius and femur. The lower part of the leg is considered in the largest bone in our body.
Radius le femur. Radius tu kan ban noi lama hian ru pahnih oma pakhat chu radius ani. Femur tu kan ke chunglama hian kan taksa a ru lian ber oma chu femur ni. Tibia or fibula. The lower part of the leg is made out of two bones, is tibia and fibula. Vertebra is a small bone in our backbone. We have 33 vertebrae in total. Tibia and fibula. Tibia and fibula hi kan hoi lama hian ru pahnih om. Chu tibia and fibula anti ani vertebrae hi kan nungzang ru te rau te hi ni kan taksa hian vertebrae somthum pathum kan nai bok ani.
Fun facts about our human skeleton. An adult has 206 bones. Babies have more bones. They have 300 bones. Some bones join together as we grow, making the adult's bone lesser. Our bones are alive and grow with us. Our skeleton is a tent for us. Our bones also help us move and do some activities.
Kan Zirtirtute me poitlinga chuan ru za hni paru kan nei no se na chuan ru za thum an nei a kan len zel chuan a then alo in zoma atlem ta thin ru te hi an nunga keima ni nen an lo liam ve zel ani ru rel hi kan taksa sunga in dingil tha himna pe a min che tir tu ban thatak ani.
LAWMTHU min Zirtirtute.
My name is S22 and I'm in grade 5. Freddy is my teammate and today I'm going to present parts of plant. This is the root. It collects water and nutrients from the soil. This is the stem. This is the leaf. It gives us oxygen and takes in carbon dioxide. This is the flower. It attracts the insects and birds so the pollination could happen.
My name is Jason. I'm in grade 5 and he is my teammate Lucasa. Today I'm going to talk about parts of the plant. This is the anther, the male parts of the... I'm going to be so old. Hey, anther chunga hianin apati pollen grains ama chu grains chu ranung emo ramsa ten an mula emo an kea te atangin an thloson ten stigma hian a fuwa stigma atang hianin stalk atangin khuta ovaria achukla ovaria hian anuchi ovules oma apati nen chuan anin chopol nu chuan zygote an siama an siam zo chuan an ha te aparte an tatha an tlak chuanin ovary tu tatha ve lawin theia a in siam.
My name is NCE. I'm studying grade 5. These are my friends Zakaria, Liuka, Remrati, Muanama, Kimtayan, Sarai. As we continue turning the spinners, the moon sometimes comes directly between the sun and the earth. When this happens, the moon blocks the sunlight. A shadow falls on part of the earth. This is called a solar eclipse. The eclipse can be total, partial, or annular, depending on the position of the moon.
These are my teammates. This is Shazwali, this is Dongdongi, and this is Remrati, and this is Kalepa, and this is Metiwa, and my name is Enai. We are studying grade 5. Today we are going to explain the human heart. Our project is about the human heart. The heart is a strong muscle that works like a pump. It beats all the time to send blood to every part of our body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to our organs and remove waste. This model shows how blood flows through the heart.
Kan project hi mishing taksa lungchung chang ani a lung hi pam ang taka thok thin thasui chak tak ani kan taksa peng tin renga thi sen thon turin apureng thina thi sen chuan kan taksa peng tin hena oxygen le thil changkai a thlen a bolhlo a pe chuak bok he model hian thi sen chu lunga engtin nge akal quality a entir ani.
I'm studying grade 5. This is my teammate Chansima, Mangakema, Masomkima, Renzwali, Naunawan, Rafela. We are gonna explain human lungs. Dam project hi machine te to kalpungani a kan chop han thoturi mempuani oxygen kan tak sa chunga lu tira carbon dioxide kan tak sa tinga pai chok le ani.
Our project is about the human respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to breathe. It brings oxygen into our body and removes carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas. This model shows how our lungs work when we breathe in and breathe out.
Zirtirtute, chhuah.